Of this bulletin, the massive political controversy erupting after Congress leader Rahul Gandhi charged at the BJP. The Congress member of parliament from Wayanad took to social media site Twitter, accused Bharatiya Janata Party and also of RSS of controlling Facebook and WhatsApp in India. Rahul Gandhi is alleging that BJP and RSS first spread fake news, then hatred and use it to influence voters. But Union Information Technology Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has hit back at Rahul Gandhi, saying losers who cannot even influence people in their own party keep cribbing about BJP and RSS. Prasad, in fact, also decided to rake the Cambridge Analytica and alleged Congress was caught red-handed in alliance with the Cambridge Analytica and Facebook to weaponize data before elections. All right, well, this is the big controversy that has started. Listen in to what BJP spokesperson Anila Singh said on these charges.
I think Rahul Gandhi has lost totally. We have seen that lately he has started behaving in a very absurd manner. This is the fake, I can say, fake, false, or whatever word you want to use for it, you can use it. That Rahul Gandhi is saying about Bharatiya Janata Party, about RSS, and what he is talking about. He's talking about Facebook, he's talking about Twitter, he's talking about other social media platforms, and he's saying that since Bharatiya Janata Party is in power, that is why they are misusing it, they are influencing electorates. I mean, then what he has to say about all those states where Congress is in power?
My colleague Anand Patel has been tracking all the latest on this. Anand, the question will emerge as to how Rahul Gandhi is making this serious allegation, because the BJP will be quick to hit back and attack him even more. So what is he really saying with this regard?
No, well, first case first, Rahul Gandhi has tweeted a Wall Street Journal story.
Okay.
Now, Wall Street Journal is an independent media house, a US-based media house, which has conducted its own investigation. And on the basis of statements of Facebook employees, former and current, this story has been published. And in the story, they have clearly said that Facebook is not following its own policy as far as India is concerned, acting against those who are spreading hate speech and misinformation. And on the basis of the same policy, Facebook has acted against people in the US. So why this dual policy as far as India is concerned?
Okay.
So clearly, on the basis of this Wall Street Journal report, Rahul Gandhi has tweeted and alleged that the Facebook top executives are hand in glove with the BJP and they're helping RSS. And following which, the Congress party has just done a press conference in which they have asked for a JPC probe into the role of Facebook and WhatsApp in failing to control misinformation, spread of misinformation and hate speech in India. And it has also asked the Facebook headquarters to launch an investigation into the relationship between top Indian executives of the Facebook and Facebook with a BJP functionary. So these are very serious charges which have been leveled by the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi has leveled the allegations on the basis of what the Wall Street Journal has published.
That's big news, yes.
And also, okay, Pooja.
Anand, I also want to ask an added question here. Is this going to be now perhaps another war of words that we see? Because the BJP has been quick to hit back, and with the Information Technology Minister bringing in Cambridge Analytica, saying that now it's more democratized, unlike earlier when it was ruled by a family. So clearly this is now going to become the next big issue.
Well, yes, definitely both parties will fight over this issue because the social media platforms are huge influencers. Look at the magnitude of the users of Facebook and WhatsApp in India. Around 28 to 30 crore Facebook users are there in the country. And WhatsApp has even higher, 40 crores users of WhatsApp in India. So imagine the kind of reach which these social media platforms have. And certainly the manner in which the Facebook has been influencing in the Indian elections, and with elections coming, Bihar elections around the corner, and 5 important states going to elections next year, definitely this war of words is going to escalate, no doubt about it.
Anand, stay on with me. Anand has given us a big breaking news as well that we now have on